So I was having problem with this wire diagram. So the one I found on the internet say pink with yellow is the 5-volt reference. Violet with, I don't know, green and yellow is like oil pressure signal, and dark brown with dark green is the oil pressure ground. So the way I find out which one it is, I put the switch on. So I went to the brown, and brown with white, that's the ground. So then I went violet with yellow. I got 5. That's the 5-volt reference. So violet with yellow strike, that's the 5-volt reference. So it's at the 5, so that means the 5-volt reference is number 1. The brown with yellow is the ground, and of course the number 2 is the oil pressure signal. So it's kind of like 1, 2, 3. So brown, violet with yellow. It's kind of like this. And another violet with like gray. So violet with gray is on 2, violet with yellow is on 1, and brown with yellow is number 3.